Let's go. Let's effing go. Let's go. We're gonna kill that thing. We're gonna go back here. We're gonna go to Ocaml. Let's go. We got boys and girls. We gotta hustle. Okay. Do you feel that? I feel that. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. All right, I think we're doing everything inside of bin right now. Okay, perfect. So we have this whole to-do thing to do right now. I kind of feel like I get this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go like this, honestly. I'm going to go like this. Are you guys ready? We're going to get rid of all of that. I'm going to take this thing right here. We're going to yank that. Let's start with something a little bit different today, okay? We're going to start with something a little bit different today. And I'm going to go like this. We're going to go like this. We're going to go... Wait. Yep, okay. There we go. I think, there we go. That's what they want. Okay, let's go like this. Let get list. You guys ready for this? Dude, I am feeling it. I am feeling it. Today we're feeling it. You know what I mean? Steam powered. Legends of Elementia. I don't think so. Okay, if it's not Elden Ring, I don't want to hear about it right now, okay? I'm in the Elden Ring zone, okay? You doing good, Acorn Spits? Okay, so let's go like this. How do I create a map again? Let's go like this. Open base, right? We want base. We want to be based AF. We want to be based AF. Now, how do I do a Ocaml? Let's see, open AI here. Go to ChatGPT. Go to number 4. Explain to me Jane Street maps and how they work. There you go. All right, as my last update, Jane Street maps is not a well-known concept or tool. Okay, stop generating. In Ocaml, using a base provided by Jane Street, how do maps work? Understood. Using base library provided by Jane Street, map module provides an implementation of ordered maps. Map data are represented collection of key with no duplicate. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, map creation. First, you need to define the module. Okay, base map make. Okay, that's what I want. This is exactly what I want. This code creates a new module string map. Okay, cool. I just wanted to look at these. Okay, we'll come back to this because I realized maybe I don't even need to do that. Maybe I can go like this. Let's just first start off with this. Let data... And let's have a little list here. And let's have this. Foo, bar... Wait, no, wait. Ooh, we're doing the wrong thing here. Foo, bar, baz, right? And how do I want to do this? Do I want to do this? I'm just trying to think of a way to just get a bunch of data, right? I just want a bunch of data. You know, I just want a bunch of effing data. All right, so how do I create this thing? Do you create this thing mutable? Can I just generate this thing? Let extension expected. What does that even mean? Am I not doing it right? How do you create something that's mutable? What's the thing? How do you create mutable var? Oh wait, hold on. I actually have it in here, don't I? To do let. Oh, it's a ref. It's an effing refin. We're effing. We're refins. We're refing with our F. Okay. Let init. Actually, I can just do it right in here. All right. I want something big, right? I want something big. We don't even need to do that. Let's go right here. Yep. All right. All right, so we got this thing. Let's go like that. Okay, things are looking good. So we got this beautiful data. Now I want to take this data, and I want to just make a bunch of crap in it. You know what I mean? I want to just make a bunch of crap in here. Let display row equals row, and a row should just be like this. We should, I want to say a row should be, yeah. Let open TYMXL. Yeah, no. No, we're going to do it. No, porque Maria. Okay, now that we have that, we should be able to go like this. Ooh, do we want a row ID? I do like the idea of a row ID. I've never really used much records, so I'd like to do that. Dreaming about Ocamls, yeah. That's what we're going to do. Let's do that. Let's go like this. Type row equals ID. Is it... Am I doing this right? Crap, we're just recreating to-dos. All right, whatever. We're gonna create a whole bunch of to-dos. We're gonna create a whole bunch of to-dos. Whatever. We're gonna return. No, wait, we don't return. Return's a stupid thing. Nobody uses return. We're gonna do a div, and in a div, we need an attribute. Yes, yes. That's right. So we have this unsafe string adder. Do you see what this thing is? Do you see that? Do you see that? ID is a string. I mean, we can make it a string. We can make it that. We can make it whatever we want. All right. Anyways, so for now, let's display the row of a bunch of items, and then when we click on it, I want it to toggle whether it's completed or not and display the results. Okay. So we're gonna start right there. As simple as it gets.
Welcome to Costco.
Does that sound good?
I love you.
Does that sound pretty reasonable?
Welcome to Costco.
I love you. Count row. Ooh, I like that. Instead of this, let's have a little count. Let's have this as an int. Okay, who's doing that? Why do I not have this stuff ready? Hey, Simo Gripe, thank you very much. And Teximian, thank you very much for the tier 1 2 months and the night. Coming in, that's Prime Copilot. I need to go to Costco soon. I think I saw there's a new way to do HX attributes. You underscore it or something. I haven't seen that yet. Anyone know what font he uses? Default. Default these nuts. Okay. We're going to call it count. Why not? Does that sound good? All right. So if this happens, if you hit this, I'm going to hit you with one of those. And what do we got here? We got ourselves a little bit of a div with a target foo. Okay. Why are we doing that? Don't we need some sort of swap strategy? Okay. So let's remind me. HTMX. Let's just go here. Docs. Okay, hold on. We have a clicked. There we go. We have clicked. We have trigger on click. Okay, so we want the trigger, and we want the target, and we want the swap. So let's go like this. Let's have the unsafe. Let's have the unsafe. Gosh, I know there's a better way to. There is a better way to do this. TJ has done some pretty good work in this. HX swap as what the hell is the thing? The thing is outer HTML. Nice. Look at that thing go. Look at that thing go. We're doing it. Okay, so we're going to swap the outer HTML. Now inside of here, we want the divs. We want so many good divs. We want an attribute of a class, and this is going to be a list of, we're going to call this thing name. Why not? That's good enough. And then we have a text name, and then after that, we're going to have this count. Look at that, okay? Looking good. Are we looking good? Are you feeling good? I'm feeling good. Okay, unsafe, Monka unsafe. You know it's unsafe, girl. Okay? I think it was on sale. What's on sale? Hey, Acorn. I was lurking in your chat. I didn't realize I was even lurking in my chat. I got to my computer and boom. It was awesome. I love how Ocaml is actually going straight towards this, right? Let's see, this attribute serves as the underscore attribute, which is used by hyperscript. Note that, okay. Wait, what is this? Dream underscore HTML. Really? Ocaml has straight up HTMX support? Let's go. Acorn, how was the raid? How's the raid, Acorn? You feeling it? You like what you see here, Acorn? Is this what you want right here? Yeah, I thought so. All right. I'm kidding. Really, I'm just a cube guy. Okay, I'm just a massive human in a very tiny cube. Do you see this? Do you see this little monitor right here? I can crush it. With my baby hands. All right, anyways, let's do a little shout out. Thank you, Acorn. Acorn B, ignored. Yeah, there you go. Shout out to Acorn. Many appreciations. How's Foony? How's Foony Dooney? Yeah. All right, so we got this little HTML. Okay, what is this? This dream. Okay, how do I use this? I've never read like Ocaml's packages stuff, like how they work. So I don't really know what to do with this. So there's this thing called Dream HTML. So I'm just going to go like this. Opam install Dream HTML. I'm just going to assume this is a thing. Okay, so it's not a thing. I was just joking. I was just kidding. Okay, so I thought you couldn't have dashes. I thought you couldn't have dashes. Okay. I thought she still refused to edit my Funi coins in the DB. Good on her. Okay. Hey, Acorn, don't you dare edit no coins.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I'll do a little OPAM update. There we go. We're getting that suppository update. Don't you dare. My favorite front-end framework is Wix.com. Oh, a lot of people love that one. Saludo. Do you like that one? Tell me what's your favorite thing. All right. So I assume that means all I got to do is go like this. I just got to jump in here, hit the dune, go in here, hit it with one of those Dream HTML, right? You know what I'm talking about? Hit it with one of those Dream HTMLs. Now I should be able to just leap in here and go like this. Let open Dream HTML HX in this, right? Am I doing this right? Gosh. Don't worry. Foodie coins are sacred. Good. And it's called, in the Dune file, it's called that. Yes, I did do that correct. Right? It's right there. Look at that. Here, I'm going to go like this. Dune build. I'm going to hit a little build. Dream HTML is not found. Really? Okay, so even though I did install it. Okay, so that means... that can't be right? Like that's not how this thing works, right? Okay, so maybe that is how this thing works, huh? Okay, maybe I'm completely wrong. Hey, I've been wrong before. I think we're planning on streaming if Prime does it. Wait, what is Prime doing? And why am I doing it? Hey, are we playing Baldur's Gate tonight? We cannot play Baldur's Gate tonight. TJ, you're gonna have to play without me. I'm very far behind on what I need to get done, okay? I'm very far behind. I'm very far behind. And I feel sad. Okay? Okay? I feel sad. Okay? I want to play Baldur's Gates. Damn it. All right. I may have to... Dang it, TJ. Can I do something with this? Hold on. I do want to do this. Okay, so I thought that was in there. Sag, dude's playing Baldur's Gate. I know. If you are very far behind, what difference will one night really make? That's the dumbest way to put things. Okay, you don't get back into the saddle thinking like that. Okay, buddy. TJ, let me talk to the wife. I'll figure out something. Okay. Hard coding of the HX encoding attribute is multiform. So what is this? How do I use this thing? So I don't really understand how to read these documents. What am I supposed to be looking at? Val underscore string adder. This attribute serves as the underscore attribute, which is used by Hyperscript. Note that the values of this attribute is not escaped. So I'm not really sure what this means. You know what I mean? TJ, funny how he had a hard time with not playing with you, but I asked him to play video games and he just ignored me. Yeah, Beastkill, get wrecked. Get wrecked. Did you install it in a different OPAM switch? No. I have it right here. So it's right here. There's this thing. There's that guy. Okay, so I just do get. Do I just go like this? Post? Hold on. What does post say it wants? Post is a string adder. Okay, so it looks like it takes in something. Why doesn't it catch that? It just means a string in the simple case. Usually you do something like let dream open HTML and then you'd use htmx.post, etc. Yeah, I mean, that's not really helping me, right? Because I'm still in the same problem. hx post still requires the same thing, which I want to give it something, right? I want to give it a value. Value me daddy. Why? Porque Maria. All right. They're in the opposite order. What? Whatever you're saying doesn't make any sense. That makes no sense. Whatever you're trying to say, that makes no sense. It's a separate lib. Yeah. Let's see. Can post go in a div? No. Stop. Okay. Oh, right. Sorry, you can't mix those
Welcome
things.
to Costco.
Damn it!
I love you.
Okay, okay, I'm gonna ignore chat for a little bit. Okay. I don't know why I keep doing that. All right, post. Let's go like this. Count. And I'm gonna want. Okay, so this is one of those things that I gotta figure out how does a post work here, because I want an ID. Right? Like, how do I? Okay, row name. Let's see. Row is definitely not. Let's see. Expression has type string, but follow the expression type a unit string unit node. No. Something's off here. There we go. Something's off here. All right. There we go. Wait, hold on. We got our A class. There we go. How's row being used? All right. So why are you saying that? What is row trying to say it is? Row's a row. Yeah, row's a row, dog. Row has been a row this whole time. I guess we probably don't need that. So how do I create a record? Right? Can I just go like this? Name, foo, count 1, ID 1? Is that just gonna work? Okay, so there we go. So that does work. I'm still a little bit confused as to what's going on with that little business. You know what I mean? Not really. I don't really understand that. Yeah. Is what language? This is Ocaml. Okay, so then we're gonna go like this. Let display list equals, and then we're gonna go let 12 up. Take that out. Take that in. Take that. Paste that. There we go. Make this happen. And let's go like this. I'll just do something very, very nice, and we'll just go like this. A class, just to make sure I get this, equals, hey, look, we're going to make it equal a list. And let's see, list map, list display row. Perfect. Everything I ever wanted to see. Go here and display list. And pass in data. Let's see. This expression has type HTML div, but it expected, ooh, yes, it expected one of those string thingies. It expected one of those things. I still don't know what ELT stands for, but I'm okay with that. ELT to string that. Throw in one of those. This expression has type string, but was expecting type dream response. So I got to go like this. Dream.html. Boom. I believe I got to toss in a couple more of those. There we go. First try. I'm not a fan of faux HTML libraries. Elt equals element. I know, but no one says elt. Everyone uses EL for element. I know, that's why it's always been so confusing, because whenever I've seen element shortened, it's usually L. Okay? All right. Nice, you're using it to build internal tools? I'm just, dude, I'm just trying to try it out. Okay. I really have no, let's see, Dune, exec, watch, what do we got here? We got, Ocaml, HTMX. Oh, what do we got here? Okay. Field ID is never used. However, okay, it's not used? Are we sure here? Oh, we're sure here. Oh, we're sure. This is a high sure territory. Okay, don't call me Shirley. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Looks good. Okay, we got that thing. And what's our port number? Ports for, okay, good. Curl, post to do. We don't have any data. No data. And it's a get. No data. Okay, good. We got something. Okay, so now how do we do a little bit of curl here? Let's do a little curly curl, okay? I'm pretty sure it makes authentic, organic, truly real HTML. I'm pretty sure it does. I think they're grass-fed stuff, too. I'm pretty sure it makes grass-fed. Let's go localhost 3000, localhost Fort 2069. Okay, there we go. We got it. Looking smooth. Okay, somehow it went backwards. Wait, am I in Firefox? F-yo Firefox. F-yo Firefox. Move that over to 2. Porque Maria. Oh, my goodness. Okay. All right, so there we go. We got these little things on here. So now we need to add in the HTML. We need to add in the whole page, right? We need to add in the whole dang page, right? Let index, yeah, and go like this. List equals, so we got to get the whole dang page, don't we? Which is going to be, what is it going to be? What is it going to be? What is it going to be? Where's the HTMX business? You should become a college professor. Gist. If you want, I can explain my small wrapper. Okay, last spam. No, not today. We'll get there. Right now, right now, I'm just gonna do this. You know what I mean? Lap open tyxml xml dot. I do want to know, but right now I don't want to know. Right? I gotta start moving. Okay. HTML. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. What do they do? Why do they do it like that? That can't be right. That doesn't look like correct stuff. Yeah, that doesn't look right. HTML. I assume it should be a list, which should be a head, right? And a head. Okay, why are you giving me all this? I don't want all this. Title. Let's have it as, yeah, text hello world. There we go. Anything else I want in here? Can we do a script tag? Something just feels all off about that. Let's see. This expression has a list, but the expression was of type. Wait, hold on. What are you guys saying? Should we call this a streaming session? The mining, because we're going deep? I'm okay with that. Comparing syntax alone, Ruby or Ocaml. Since I've never done Ruby, I will just go with Ocaml. You know what I mean? That seems about right. All right, so let's go head, and then let's go, what's the thing called? It's called the script. Okay, let's do script, and then let's do a little tilde A. Right, and a little tilde A is going to be a, what is it? My guess is a source. There we go. Yeah, that seems about right. Okay, I feel pretty good about that. Hold on. What is this problem here? This expression has type A list, but the expression, let's see. I'm confused. Is this pattern matching or something? No, this is just a bunch of functions. Like, this is just a function that does stuff. You know what I mean? This thing just does functions. All right, so this is, okay, hold on. Oh, there we go. So there's that one. That's definitely, okay, so there's that one. And then there's script, which does that one. Okay, so we're definitely getting closer here. I'm just going to keep on programming as if I know what I'm doing. All right, there we go. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. What are your fingers using? Wait, what? What are your fingers using for V? I want to use my, let's see, bro, just raw dog the HTML. You're saving nothing. All right, there we go. No. See, I still don't get those. I want to get them, but I don't get them. It's not a list. What's not a list? What goes into HTMX? Are you sure it's not one? Do not make which one a list? You're telling me to do something like that? That doesn't make any sense. Oh, is that why it was doing that? Oh, is head the same way? Why are they different? Why are they
Welcome to
different from
Costco.
these?
I love you.
That makes no sense. Why would they be any different from a div? They're the same thing. That's super confusing. Yeah, I'm going to pretend like that's correct. I'm going to pretend like that's correct. Right. Correctly being a way of looking at how HTML should work. Because some can have children, some cannot. Okay, and so you're saying that this one needs title, head content. So what does this one want? Okay, here. Let's just pretend like I knew what I was doing. So I'm going to go like this. What does Copilot think I should have here? It didn't like that last one. Dude, why am I confused at that one? Dude, what? Let's see. The first arg of head is just a text, not a list. Check my last message. No. Sorry. It's so hard to follow Twitch chat. You should just if you just paste it again, it never bothers me. All right. Okay. Never bothers me. Yeah. Hello, Dirty Mike from the boys. No. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Doing HTML tag. Spamming aloud here. Yeah. All right. Anyways, to Ocaml, Ahref. Yep. All right. Just give me, let's see, example, creating documents with this. Okay. We'll come back to reading all that. Do we got something here? See, this is all content stuff. Do they have anything with the word HTML? How about head? Okay. My page equals head, my title, this, body, my content. Okay. Okay, so what it's saying here is that what it actually wants. I can't say I understand what, so it wants a title, and then it wants probably the children. And this is where I'd put something like this in. My
Welcome
page,
to Costco.
my title. Okay, so I don't know what my title is in this situation. Head, title, text, greeting. Okay. It's so interesting. Okay. So that means I'd go. Yeah, I'm getting closer. Text here. Anytime you want to put it into a string, you have to do text node. Yeah. I forgot about that little text node, huh? All right, we'll just go like this. Oh man, I want to not. I don't want to read. I just want it to work. I want it to work, right? Is he constructing HTML? I'm just trying to construct some dang HTML like this. All right, so you got head, title, list, body. I know how to do the body one feels easy. I get the body one. It's this HTML and this head one that gets me a little bit. Okay. It's a partial, means you are missing some args. Classic missing some args. All right. So that works. Okay. Which means that this, on the other hand, why can't I put in... Oh, what are you missing? What do you want me to put in here? There must be something here. There must be a way to look up these references. Is there a way just to look up script? Is there like a script lookup? I think it's actually one of those. Really? I might be confused as to what you're saying. I think it's missing content type, right? It's missing content type, right? HTML is my favorite language of the ML family. Yep, that man's has been dealing with the same thing in Reflex. So this is what... These are those simple things that once you do it, it makes perfect sense. Okay, so is there a way to just, like, look up script tag? No, you wouldn't do text. TJ, text wouldn't make any sense here. Text, it needs a content type. It rages program his problems out he encounters. It's so funny. Well, typically I read when I'm not. So how you do it, like a script tag, this type of script tag. So if you go HTMX, right? Go to here. I know, but it doesn't make any sense, right? And even that it literally makes no sense. Like that is a senseless statement that we're looking at. It's a senseless statement that you're looking at. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, whatever. That's fine. It doesn't feel fine, but I'll let it be fine. All right, there we go. I know, you don't see any red squigglies now. All right. Head, we got this, we got path to this, we got this little list. Class, this thing has this thing. So now we have this, so when I click on it, there we go. Path to HTMX, man, dang it. I want that guy. Give me that guy. Give me that guy. I didn't even read that. I was too busy. All right, there we go. I'm sure that makes sense. There we go. So now when I click this, we should get 4 errors. Perfect. Okay, so we have our first little interaction going on right here. Fantastic. Oh, it's because it needs a value between the tags for the script, maybe. Yes, it needs a value, but it has a source, so you wouldn't put a value. So my brain can't even compute saying you need empty text. Saying you need empty text, just... I can't quite understand that. Yeah, it feels wrong. It does seem erroneous, yes. All right, there we go. Title. There we go. Just so that way, anyone that's asking, what are we doing today? You must understand the amount of times people ask that question. It makes it untenable. There we go. There we go. Got it. Hey, Cifro, thank you very much. And Radar, thank you very much. And Can't Get It Right. Thank you. I appreciate that. Become unfireable. There you go. And K Hatchig. My HTML is my favorite of that. Yeah, it is my favorite. There you go. Hopefully that makes sense. We're just playing around with it. I want to get stuff, delete stuff. So, okay, so let's make it so that not this outer one. So instead of doing this, I want to make it more targeted, but let's just, for now, do the thing, right? Let's just do the thing, you know what I mean? So do I have to ref this? I think I have to ref this thing, right? And do I have to bang it here? Yeah, I have to bang it right there, right? And that will hand it out. Okay, cool. So now that we have that, let's...
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Let's do that, and now that we have that... Oh, well, hey, I appreciate that. Let's do a little post. I do like Dream. Like, I like how this feels. This guy bangs. We're trying. I'm banging it out here. Dr. Salat. Thank you. Appreciate the brand new Twitch Prime. All right, no problem, Prime dude. I know we're trying to figure things out. All right, so let's now take this thing. Now, how do we pass up IDs? So that's something I don't understand. So let's start with there. Right? That should be pretty straightforward. So let's take this thing, back it up, back that truck up, right? Go right here, yank that one, paste that one. Oh, hold on. Yank that one, paste that one. F over here, back, AA, quit. Okay, dot. Okay, cool. And let's go like this. 10 down, I1. What is it? It's 9 down, Close enough, right? Close enough, right? Okay, good enough. Since all of these dream calls are lightweight threads, would you need a mutex on the data? I don't know. We'll find that out. I've never mutex that data. You'd need a form. We would need a form, wouldn't we? All right. And then 7 back. All right, there we go. I'm still running on one CPU, I think, the way he has it right now. Okay. All right, cool. All right, so let's get the hell out of here. All right, so good thing to know. Now know those things. Let's move on. So that means if we're doing this, I don't want to just do a div. I gotta do a form, right? We gotta hit this bad boy with a form, and we have these two right here. And so now here's the real question. I'm trying to remember how. Do we even need a form here? Hold on. Let's drop these ones right here. Let's take these ones out, and I just want to put it on. Let's start right here, and I'm going to take out these. I'm going to paste them in right there. I'm going to go back over here and do another one of those. Put that in there. Drop that right there. All right, there we go. I don't want to distract you, but what exactly are you doing? Just look at the title. All right. So we got to change this thing to a form. Prime Shades and the Prime Shade and Fireships video. Oh, we love to see it. I loved it. It was great. All right. So nice. You can do this nice little parent click. Blah blah blah. All right. Import. Okay, fantastic. Oh, look at that. You got like a little Windows. Got a little Windows things going on then. Then add this code, then finally rebuild your bundle. Okay, interesting. Okay, so if you want to use Webpack, make a single thing. I'm not going to worry too much about that. Trigger on mouse enter, very exciting. Mouse enter once, blah, 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 blah. Trigger, placeholder, search. Okay, let's see, input. Now, here's, I guess, the question now becomes, okay, so I got to get up ID. ID is the next thing I want to get up there, but I don't really want it to be like an input field. So in my head, the only thing I know how to do is put it like an input field. So that can't be right? There has to be something else. Can you put name on a div and it will just like accept it? Because that can't be right either, right? That can't be. That can't be right. Right. Thank you. Parameters. That's what I was looking for. All right. By default, an element that causes a request will include its values if it has one. If the element is a form, it will include the values of all its inputs within it. As an HTML forms, the name attribute of the input is used. Okay. Additionally. So what do you mean? Let's see. By default, an element that causes a request will include its value if it has one. Oh, very cool. So that means I can literally do a div right here, and I can just have this text right here, sort of, right? I wonder what the value will be, right? What is the value? How do you print out a body? All right, so is there a way to, okay, so I got a request. I got to do a nice little request. I don't think divs have values. Well, they have something, right? Do they not have values? Is the HTML a value? Print out this body. We're trying to print out the body. Pretty sure it's just this. Okay. So or undefined. A value is an attribute. Okay, so it is just an attribute. I wonder if divs have a value attribute? A value? Okay, so a value is not allowed on a div. Okay, so you can't use a div to do that. After watching Prime and trying it myself, Ocaml is not for me. Okay. If you wish to filter out some parameters, you can use the HX params attribute. Your type system is lying. Is it bad cop? Is it bad cop? Ajax vals add. Let's see. Attribute allows you to add parameters that will be submitted with the Ajax request. Let's see. By default, the value of this attribute is a list of name expression values with in a JSON format. Interesting. Okay. Okay. You can even get calculated values. Fun. Very, very fun. Okay. Okay, so we can just do something nice like that, right? That's, what the heck is it called? Let's see, that'd be one of these. Paste that in here. Let's get you out of here. HX vals. So I'd have to do something like this. Can I just use, okay, I have to use proper JSON. I have to use proper JSON. I have to use proper JSON. Yeah, that's the one I wanted. Let's see. This expression is edge. This feels right. Am I missing something here? Let's see. Hold on, just to make sure I got this thing in the correct thing. Let ID. I'm sure there's a nicer way to do this, but right now we'll just do this. Right? I am positive there's some beautiful, beautiful way that you can do something very nice. You know what I mean? I don't know why that didn't come across. I probably just need some parentheses. You can use this string literal to avoid having to escape this. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. We'll get there. Hey, thank you very much. Long-time lurker, short-time subscriber, first-time chatter. Hey, HTMX Stalin. How you doing? What's up with this unsafe thing? It's because it contains dashes, right? I think that there's some like libraries coming out that just kind of make it a first-class citizen, but I don't think there's anything yet that is working out. Okay, so we have this nice little request. Now, if I remember correctly, we got to go to... There is a way to access stuff from a form. There's also a way to be able to access stuff with this one. There we go. Yank all of this stuff right here. Yes, I think this is... Let's just look at this right here. There we go. Since I'm not deeply familiar with Dream yet. We're doing everything in stuff I'm not even ready to understand. All right, so there we go. So we have a request. All right, so we have open, lightweight syntax, grab this thing from the form. Here, we'll let this thing be true. No longer using our little hack there. We have a form. We have a title. We should have an ID. We should be able to now. Let's do something nasty, huh? Let's do something nasty. Do I have a base open? Let's do a little, I bet you there's a list out. Is there a little find? And then, what is the list? What does find take? It takes in a list and a function. Okay, so I gotta go like this. Function, do I go like, I think this is what you do. Item? I think this is this how you do this? Yeah, this is how you do this, right? Yeah, item dot ID equals ID, right? Data. Am I getting close? Am I getting close? I'm so glad it was Baldur's Gate 3 and not Baldur's Gate 3, a game by Bowles, the original G Fuel. Yeah, I have a little idea about UI component library for HTMX, which will which will be implemented using custom HTML tags, pre-styled CSS. Oh, I don't have an opinion. Classic hidden input. Trying to go from moon brain to galaxy brain, but for real. I wish I had the benefit. Let's see. I wish I knew the benefits. This. Oh. Yeah. I've already watched it. This library can do all this for you. Oh, thank you. Cool. I appreciate that, Dark Hat. You guy. Oh wait, no, I want to do the other way. I want to do like a string to int. Is there like, okay, how do I, dang it. All right, let's see if Copilot can help me. Go, Copilot, go. Go, Copilot, go. String to int, Ocaml, base. There we go. int of string. Okay, so it is some sort of int of string. There we go. Is that right? Wait, say this thing's a string. What is this thing? This thing's a row with an item. What do you mean, this thing? That just rolled everyone. That just rolled on by everyone. That's just rolled on by. Damn you, a library can do all this. Yeah, I'm not gonna let that. I was gonna ask you what you thought of this work, but then chat fell for it. Yeah, I'm not gonna click a YouTube link. Okay, it's gonna be. I'm gonna get rickrolled. Okay, I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna do any of that. Oh yes, because that thing's a ref. There we go. And then what's your issue? Int of string. Okay, int of string. Let's go. Okay, and what does this return? This returns just an int. Okay, interesting. In this. Okay, so if we have this thing, so we get the item out, and this is what? This is an option? Okay, so that means we have to match item with all right, so now we got to take this thing. I want to do this. Okay, this is perfect. This is pretty much what I want to do, right? I want to take the item. I want to increase the count by 1. I want to render some Dream HTML by changing this into a string, blah, 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 blah. But I don't really need to do all of this, right? I don't actually need to do any of this. I can just simply do item.count, right? I think so. And then I can go... and then I can do a dream empty not found, right? Okay, we're going places. We're going places. We're going places. Why not Notepad on Windows 11? Great question. You can't rickroll. You can't get rickrolled on the internet. It's impossible. I heard Notepad on Windows 11 can handle LFL line endings. It's a new meta text editor. Don't believe it. I don't believe it one bit. I've never believed it. Not going to believe it. All right. All right, so this, I think this is correct. So we have these ones empty, not found, right? Get out of here. And then everything else needs to become a bad request, right? And that needs to go away. And now that we do that, let's see. Field count is not mutable. Okay, my bad. I think I'm kind of getting the old Ocaml here. I think I'm kind of getting it. You know what I mean? Oh. How do I... Dang it. Okay, I don't... I see, these are one of those things that I just don't... I just have no idea what to do here. Whenever I run across this, I'm like, what's the thing? Int to string. Oh, I love that. Okay, int to string. Okay, so this must be one of those nice Jane Street things. I had to help someone install NeoVim on a Windows machine the other day because Notepad and a bunch of other text editors barfed on editing a file that was a few gigs. Vim -u, all capital letters, none. We don't talk about VS here, okay? All right. So I think that should work. VS cock? Yeah, that's what I said. I said that. All right, so what do we got here? ID 1, form data, ID 1. All right, let's go. All right, so that looks good. I got a 400 bad request. Why did I get a bad request? The only place for me to get a bad request is right here, which seems a little strange because I did a form request. Someone has to invent a language that you can use all the languages. You use fenced block code like Markdown and hop variables between blocks. That seems nice. Yeah. Based on you just gotta pick one, you know? Pick one. But I'm always nervous about falling into traps, like learning functional code with JS. Just pick Go, pick Rust, pick something, and just get after it. You know what I mean? It's definitely not that because I'm actually using. I assume there's no CSRF issues right here because I'm using the old. I would be a little bit surprised, right? I mean, I could do the old CSRF, right? C, what is it? How, dude, what the hell? What the hell is the thing? CRFS false. Is that? I don't think that doesn't make any sense. Wait, why is that? Oh. Oh, did I just... Oh. CSRF. Tears of a clown. Yeah, tears of a clown. Okay, that's it. Because when you render the form, you need to add the CSRF tag in it as part of the HTML. Oh. Did you just want a bunch of divs? I'm just wanting a bunch of divs here. All right. Okay, so that makes sense. Okay, so I need that. We need to do that. But that also means that when I did this beautiful little thing right here, I didn't quite do the right thing. So I'm going to go like this. Let display ID. And so let's go. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to grab this thing right here. Take that out. Go display ID. I know that's not quite right, but whatever. There we go. Take that out, and go let. What is it? Let open. I thought it was let open. Okay. Yeah. That makes me feel better. Let's go like that. I'm positive there's a better way to do this. I'm just probably too stupid to know how to do it. I'm just gonna have it as that. Yeah, that's probably right. So I need to display the ID, pass in the row. There we go. And when we're done right here, we obviously don't do that. We go like this. L2 string item. There we go. Bam. Make it happen. Refresh it. And now we can go infinitely fast on this thing. Okay. Fun. Fun, people. We're having fun. I just ordered a hot dog and fries. Def going to be magnificent. Oh, I want those. Woot. I know.
Welcome to Costco.
All right, so
I love you.
Hey, Vi, how you doing, buddy? Speed of boys. Okay, so I gotta understand this business. So what do you need to put on a form to get one of these? Make it happen. I've never played with this thing. Look at Dream's example. Okay, yeah. Dream form CSRF. Yeah. What exactly do you want here? You can nunce these nuts. Okay. For Ajax requests, either method must be get or head or origin or refer must be present, and their value must match the host. I assume this. Oh, am I not tossing up those headers in the request? Is that what's happening? So when I make these network requests, am I not? Request headers? Which one are they wanting? They're wanting something, right? Oh, they want this? Don't you be cross-site scripting me. Don't you be doing it. Don't you be doing it. It's using the Dream template syntax, but we can translate. Yeah, I assume there's a way to do this, right? Yeah, so you're doing the same thing. We were just looking at that thing, which means that there's obviously okay. So there's this Dream surf tag request. So that means I have to. So when we're doing this, I need to generate one at the point of, because I assume for every single item I need its own unique version of it. Right, well, Prime, what are these ads? I don't know. Dark Hat? What kind of messages have you been sending today? Okay, I'm gonna forgive you. You try to rickroll me or something, and then you ask me about ads. I don't know. $5 a month. Have you tried that? Have you tried $5 a month? You need one per form. Yep, that's what I was thinking. As one per form. And now here's the thing is I'm not using that. I'm obviously using just a div, which means to be able to do the CSRF stuff, it needs to be whatever you call it. I call it CSRF. That's obviously not wrong. CSRF. I don't know. What else would you call it? Oh, gosh. Dark Hat did it. Squeal Surf? Yeah, it could be Squeal Surf. Okay, so with this thing, we got a little tag. We need to generate this one per form, which means that means you can't do it with a div. You can't do it with a div, can you? Yeah, okay, but you can't do it with a div, can you? I assume you can't do it with a div. Something about that probably seems a little bit wrong, is my guess. Unless if I knew what I knew what this little tag is, because I guess you could technically probably put it in here since this is part of the form data. It's on input element. That's what is rendered as. Yeah, but if it has a name, if I knew the name, I could technically. Man, this coding in Dreambird is tough. Yeah, Twitch has been ad crazy for a long time. Welcome to Twitch. All right, is there like a... Because I could imagine I could... We could do something with this. The Dream form function takes care of validating the CSRF token for us. Yes, but I need the other way. I need the name if I want to make it come up. Right? You need the form data if you use the div. Okay, hold on. Yes, I hear you. Okay, I hear you. So I'm going to go like this for now. I'm going to throw it as a form for now. And we're going to do one of these little nice things for a second. And I'm going to do one of these guys. So, all right, let's see. This function has a type string. Okay, hold on. Calm yourself down, buddy. Calm yourself down, buddy. Hey, buddy, calm yourself down. So we don't have a request. So that is really the annoying part is, do I really have to thread a request through all of this? Do I really have to thread the request through everything? At least it's not, you know, Rust, which does make this a little bit nicer. You know, I'm not going to lie to you. So I have to do this because I assume there's no way. I'm just going to assume off the rip that I just need the thread. For now. We'll get there. Wait, hold on. Is this one of those things I need to do this with? Function display. Wait, what? ¿Por qué, Maria? Oh, is there an underscore right there? That'd be cool if I could do that. I don't think I can do that. Wait, what did I have right here? Function was display row. So why can't can I just curry the request around? Right, doesn't that do it? Okay, good, it does do it. Okay, see, I've tried this once before. I'm not even looking at chat. Though I'm sure I should. I'm sure it would make so much more sense if I just look at chat, but I'm refusing. Okay, I'm refusing. I'm refusing, right? Yeah, I have an underscore. We want to see the code. All right, so I don't think I need to do it this way. Missing set. Oh, wait, hold on. ¿Por qué Maria? Oh, I now have a middleware that we're missing. Missing a session middleware. Okay, so I have to add a session middleware. Okay. All right, session middleware. Here we go. Dream session middleware. Ocaml. Let's go. Is it just memory? Is it literally just memory sessions? Dream.memory. I mean, because I've seen that before. Okay, it literally is just dream memory sessions, isn't it? Okay, so here's the thing is I don't think I need to do this, right? Because I have the vals, which we don't technically need. And we have, see, that's the name I was looking for. Dream CSRF. Okay. So if we wanted to do this, we could also do this, you know, like instead of doing this, I could go back to using a div, long as I did a Dream CSRF and then did all the stuff. You know what I mean? It would also work. I would say cookie sessions are better. Oh, really? How lovely is that? Look at all that data you're sending down. Oh, but now I can't, ooh. Now I gotta do this thing. Right, string attribute, is it trigger? I'm just gonna guess. I'm just guessing. I'm gonna purely guess. Okay, it's not that. It's definitely not that. Because, you know, you gotta be able to submit the form on click. Key up. Oh, was I close? Was I close? Is the UX of UIs HX trigger? Let's click. I was so close. I was so close, wasn't I? All right, bad request. Is it because I have CSRF as false? Okay, so there we go. So we got we have the CSRFs in there. Not very important for me to do, I don't think. Let's see. But neat. Just finished your algo data structure video, and I learned so much. Never knew you could just combine data structures like that. Oh, you got the LRU? Yeah, as data structures get more advanced, they typically have a couple of like combinations going on. You know what I mean? It's more than one. All right, so I like this. All right, so let's delete something, right? So let's see. Has anyone ever told you look like the guy from Wolf of Wall Street? Well, there's lots of guys on Wolf of Wall Street. And I assume you're not talking about Leo. And if you're not talking about Leo, I would like you to keep your opinion to yourself, okay? Is that fair? Is that fair? Is that fair? You got that, all of you? All 611 of you? Can you keep it to yourself? I don't want to hear it. By the way, less than 1,500 away, people, okay? Less than 1,500. Eggs, breakfast, bacon, sausage. Good. Hot at Leo, Doctor Disrespect of Another Universe. I mean, Delarium Leo? Delarium Leo? No, just Leo. You look like the guy on Fireship video. Smoke crack with me, bro. Look at that. Can you believe this? I make a great tweet. Stolen. Okay, I didn't steal it. I didn't want to tweet it. I'm a little surprised that this is going as far as it's going.
I love you.
Copy pastas for whatever reason go so far. Did you call dibs? Did you call dibs before he stole it? No, I didn't. But isn't that weird? jQuery and PHP basically made my career. I'll always be in love with the bone. Prime, can we get some Spirulina on stream? The Spirulina's in here. I am drinking Spirulina. Erlansana. Thank you very much. I have no merch right now. But I do love this. I want more of it. All right, anyways. So let's delete something now. So since I am doing a form, I no longer have to do this thing, right? I don't have to do these values. Though this is kind of good to know that there's this like little values form business, right? Which means I can also go something like input a hidden. Oh, can you do that? Okay. A name. Oh, look at that. Is ID a value? Yeah. That seems about right. I don't know what that last part is. Can you not be a jerk there? All right, hold on. All right, this expression has type unit. Oh, damn. And then I need to go like this. Is this what I need to do? It's always trying to do something to me. It's always trying to do something like that to me. All right, hold on. Hidden. Do I even need to do this? I don't know if I even need to do... Oh, I do need to call it as a function. Okay. Name ID, value to int. Damn it. Why am I so bad at this? How am I so bad at this? I know I need to... Okay, can I just provide it a nothing? I can provide it a nothing? Okay. Let's crack some glow sticks. Are you just beginning? I'm just beginning. I'm so bad at that. I'm so gosh dang bad at that. Okay, did this work now? Okay, that does work. Awesome. Does that work? Okay, fantastic. This man needs to try F sharp. You need to go try yourself some of those delicious Microsoft bullshit. All right. No, I don't want to try your Microsoft bullshit. Okay, friend. All right. Let's add a little delete, huh? Display delete. And let's have this. That's not delete. You know, there's actual libraries at Netflix with several misspellings in it, purely because I have such bad dyslexia and I never even see it. There's one still called expections. For exceptions. It's forever known as expections. It's a forever thing. Don't need CSRF form. Oh, really? If you're not using form submissions, you can insert the CSRF token into all HTMX requests with a bit of JS. Here's what I have for here. Odd. You can do a little bit of that. Cool. Oh, does every one of them have the same token? Or are they all unique? I thought they were all unique. Yeah, how does that work? I don't know how that works. Right? I'm not sure how they're finding these little things. If you're not using form submissions, you can insert the CSRF token into all HTMX requests with a bit of JS. See, I don't really get that. Exception, yeah. I think it's session based. Okay, yeah. Well, this one, each one of these seem to have a different value in it, right? So whatever's going on here, the dot obviously. I thought I saw a dot somewhere on here. There's some stuff going on here. This string has some information in it, some sort of base 64 information. Yeah, I think so too. They should be the same, but you replaced the one when you clicked. All right. None of them are the same. Checkmate, atheist. Divs don't have values. Changed my mind. Changed my heart. Hope to die. Wait, what? All right, so anyways, we're going to have a little delete. We're going to jump over here and go delete. We're going to replace not the outer to HTML. We need we need to do a swap, and we need to swap to the parent, right? I want the first parent row, right? I know this can happen, right? My guess is it looks something like this. It's going to go like this, parent row. That's my guess. In fact, let's just see what happens. You want to see what happens? Let's see what happens. Right? You know, because who cares? You can do something like closest row. Don't do that. Okay, I was guessing. You gotta let a man guess. Okay. You're not letting me guess. Delete me, daddy. There we go. Boom. All right, so we're gonna do this one, and we're gonna. Oh my goodness! Display, delete. Oh, master. Whoa, whoa, mastermind. Are you back at it? Hold on. I didn't know the king's back at it. How's life with kids? Prime smells. Hey, Helba. We're lightly back at it. How's the kids? How's life with children's? It's great. The best thing ever. Yeah, it is. The thing about kids is that you can't tell somebody why it's so great, but you can only tell them it's great. Isn't it the weirdest thing? Right? Like, there's nothing that you could have told me to explain to me, to prepare me for why it is, right? Do you do anything major besides code? I have been wanting to do other things like language learning, spoken language. Oh, no. Video games would be my other thing. Guitar, if I ever decide to get back into that. Yeah, I'm just kind of starting it out. I have a 5-month-old. Why is sleep so hard? You know, you got to train them. You know, sleep training's a real deal. It still sucks. I'm not saying it actually works. But you got to do that. Rollerblading, right? I used to be a rollerblader. Have another. We have a 2-year-old and a 6-month-old. Once you have 2, 1 is so easy. I know that's the thing is you also can't do sleep regression. I know you're about to hit the teething stage, and then it just sucks everything back out. Yeah, there's definitely like this whole thing that happened. You know what I mean? There's like a whole thing that happens, which is going to be you have one kid, and you're like, this is so hard. Then you have 2 kids, and you're like, man, this is hard. Then you have 3 kids, and you're having like a minor panic attack. And then you have 4 kids, and you're like, it. Go get them, kids. There's actually a curve that exists where somehow it just changes pace. It just, something happens. Something happens in life. I don't know. I'm on the downhill slope. Go get him, kiddos! It's raining outside, and she's in her diaper. She'll do it! Get it, baby! Go ride that scooter, right? Your frog boils. Yeah, my frog is boiled. You know, sleep training is a real and very helpful, but it's quite hard at first. Yes, it is. All right, so we got a little delete me daddy. It executes a delete. There is no delete. Awesome. Well, let's go in here. Let's do this. And let's do a little something. You know what I mean? I want to do a little something that makes maybe this a little bit easier to kind of get out this form. Because I have this whole problem where, do you see what I'm saying? Like, I feel like all of this, I should be able to take into a function. Can I try to do this in a function? Let's go like this. No, I can't really do it in the function. See, I need this whole okay and bad request business. See, I need 3 states. I hate it. Or I need 4 states, and I hate that. I hate the fact that I need 4 states. It bothers me every effing time. Right? Because then there's no reason to try to pull this thing out. It doesn't make any sense. I guess, okay, so tell me if this is like terrible coding in Ocaml. I'm going to take this thing, and I'm going to go like this. Let, get ID, let's see, handle ID request, right? I don't know what to call this thing, okay? We don't know what to call this thing. Just chill out for a second, okay? And I'm going to put all of this in here, right? We're going to put all of this in here, okay? We're looking hot. We're looking sweaty. Things are looking good, okay? We're also going to have a little bit of data. Let's put the data right here. Maybe that feels better. Okay. For whatever reason, this is not formatting, so I must be doing something horribly wrong somewhere. All right. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do this, and then right, and when this happens, I am going to go like this. F that item. And that is it. F yo couch. F yo item, right? And I'm going to go like this. So I have to go, I have to do the whole let star, do I have to do this whole let star? Let star out equals handle ID request, right? And I'm going to do this nice little fun item business, right? We're going to do this nice little, look at that nice little item right there. I don't know what I'm doing. All right. I feel like this is oddly different, and then I don't know why that let star is like that. Then I should be able to go. Everything returns a dream something. So I have to do this, and then I'd have to do out. Is that right? No, that's not right. It's close. Just rip out the whole. Let's see. Dream post count handler. Yeah, we could do that, but I have to do so much of the same code. It just bothers me. See, this is the problem. I mean, I could do this. We could do that, but then I have these just huge, giant match statements everywhere, and they just are hurting me emotionally. You know what I mean? I'm mostly just hurt emotionally, okay? I'm just mostly hurt emotionally, okay? You know what I mean? Because I have to do this code every single time. Emotionally, I have to do this code every time. I don't want to do that code every time, you know? Gotta learn bind. I know. See, I don't know bind. See, there's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff I want. It won't be every time. I know. We gotta get there. Okay, hold on. What is this? Dude, this expression has dream response equals dream peer message server dream peer message. But let's see. Oh. Is it? This is a response. ¿Por qué, Maria? So this thing. So why can't I just go out with, why can't I just send it out? Do I really, can I just do, wait, hold on. Really? You can have it as, wait, hold on. So why do I need to even save out? Why can't I just return you? Here, explain yourself, demon. Okay, it looks slightly nicer, okay? It looks slightly nicer. Can we agree that it looks just exceptionally slightly nicer? This is not what I wanted to be. I don't like how I've abstracted this. Just let it happen, okay? Let it happen. It's not how I wanted it, but it works, okay? Okay? Slow down. All right, so now we're going to get to the difficult thing in Ocaml, right? Which is, how do you remove something from the middle of a list? Is there like a filter, right? So that means I'm going to have to go like this. If this exists, I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go data equals list filter bang data function ID does not equal item ID. Let's go. Can I just do a dream? Is there like a way to just return a dream? Empty.
Welcome to
okay.
Costco. I love you.
Hey, bro. I love you too. Hey, bro. Why you gotta be like that? Get the hell out of there! Okay, so I did delete. Okay, that did not work. That is not what I wanted to have happen. But it did delete it. I get the hell out. Okay, see, okay, so my target did not work out the way I wanted it to work out. My target did not work out the way I wanted it to work out. Because I had parent.row. So obviously that did not work. That did not work. Let's look at the docs. That's expected. If you return an empty response, HTMX ignores it. No. It's working exactly correct. It's just that I'm hitting the wrong item, right? HX target. I just need a better target. So I don't want to do that. Is there a way to do, like, closest? Okay, so I can't do parent. Next previous find. Okay, so I have to do closest. Okay, so it is closest. Okay. So how does closest work? Is that upwards? Hot tabs, Batman. Let's see. Closest syntax will find the closest ancestor. Let's go. Suck it. Suck on that. Refresh me, daddy. Delete me. I didn't call this thing a row.
I love you.
Hey, I love you too, baby cakes. But baby, I didn't call it a row. Okay, I didn't add the word row to it all. Suck it. Fuck. Okay. Okay, I don't even know what's happening, but you're funny. Glad you found your stream. Oh, thank you. Okay. Yeah! Okay, so that definitely doesn't work. Are you winning, son? I'm not winning, son! Blame the Rust Foundation. It is a CSS selector for where stuff goes. I know, but you can do more, right? Target and most attributes take CSS selector support and extended CSS syntax. You can use this keyword that indicates the element that the HT target attribute is on. You can do closest CSS selector to find the closest ancestor element or itself that matches the given CSS selector. Closest TR would be the closest table row element. So closest dot return some HTML. Okay, I will return so much good HTML. Are you ready for this? HTML. Suck it. How does that HTML fit on? See, it's not doing it. Okay, it's not doing it. It's not doing the thing. You know what I mean? It's not going upwards to this row. Look at that row. See, that's the row. That's what it needs to do. No, it, dang it! You are not, okay, I gotta quit listening to you. You're not hearing me. You're not hearing me. You're not, look at this, closest. Did I spell the word closest correctly? The swap attribute. Oh shit, it's not target. Oh, I did the wrong thing. Damn it. Okay, so that's the problem. Swap outer. Wait, what is it? Outer HTML. There we go. Target equals closest row. Now suck it. And then suck on that one. And suck on that one. And you go. And you also go 69. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. And yeah. Also you. All right. All right, Yawar, I'm sorry. There we go. Now add one. Oh, wow. So I just wanted to, I wanted to get the thing. All right, so we are doing this. Now, if you notice, if I refresh, it stayed consistent, so we got the thing. I'm a noob. No, it's okay. I was trying to do the selector thing. Now, here's the thing I want to find out. Watch this one. I'm going to do this one. Display ID. Watch this one. I'm going to go like this. Let ID equals, is there a way to do a ternary statement? How do you do ternary? Like, how do you, like, can I go like if ID, if row.id equals 11, then I want ID plus, I want to return 69, else row ID, okay? I want to do this specifically because I want to create the situation, where I'm using a bad ID. You know what I mean? I'm intentionally using a bad ID. So there we go. We're all back because I edited the server restarted. If I look at this one actually has a hidden form of value 11. This one's 69. Okay, so this is count. So not what I wanted. Not the one I wanted, okay? Display delete. Let's do the exact same thing. And let's go all the way over to here. Word that, do one of those. There we go. One more refresh. Okay, so hidden equals 69. Count and the delete.
Welcome to
Is
Costco.
69. Okay, so we're gonna cause the error. When I hit delete, DomSim, that's what I wanted to see because somebody told me that delete will delete regardless of the return value. And I wanted to prove to myself that that was true. Hey, DomSim, thank you very much. Okay, so that's good. All right, hold on. What other ways? Let's see. How do I get a bad request? Oh, there's no ID. Yeah. We can do this too. Is there a way to... let's go like this. Let ID in... let's go ID equals this thing, right? All right. So let's go like this. If row dot... Or hold on. If ID... It's... Oh, crap. If ID equals 69, then do this. Wait, hold on. Else do this. Okay, and so that means I'm going to put this thing in here, and let's give it just a dumb name, right? IDZ. Is that fair? Unused variable, ID. Yes, you're right. And I'm going to go like this. ID. There we go. So my delete... Wait, this is display ID. Damn it. This is not my delete ID. Okay, this will also work. No, I want it for the delete. Okay, why am I repeating my code so much? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this to my life? All right, there we go. All right, so this should give me... Everything's correct right here, right? Bam. ID, value this one. But this one, on the other hand, nobody likes this one. It's called IDZ. Delete me daddy. 400. Okay. Exactly what we wanted to see here. Ternary for JS is the form result condition, something else. I know what a ternary is. Oh, you must be answering somebody else's question. I'm doing a ternary right here. This is how you do a ternary. Write things wet for process, dry for production. Neither. Okay, I only do wet-ass programming around here, and that is it. Ternary. I find this far more amusing than watching George Hotz code. Oh, well, I don't think you gotta really say one or the other. You know, I think George Hotz and I are probably actually very similar characters. George Hotz might be a little bit more hot on some of his takes than I do. I generally just stay away from most things. He kind of leans in. So we kind of lean in. We also have some weird similarities in the sense that he often, at least from my few hours I've had him on in the background, he talks less about direct politics as far as I can tell or have seen. And he talks more about like the meta concept, the philosophy behind it, or that, you know, it's all an illusion type stuff, right? That kind of stuff. Give us a hot random take. I think everybody should get married and have kids. I think it's better for society. People with kids. All right, there we go. Do you have Swamp Ass right now? No, I don't. I know there's a lot of Arch users in here. Okay, I know there's a lot of Arch users in here. They're like, oh, you don't even know. Canceled. I know. Can you imagine that that's now a cancelable take? Can you believe that? Crazy. Politics is an illusion? Yeah, politics is an illusion. Anything that you have to win by people's mass appeal to somebody, in some sense, is dick riding. How do I revoke this thing? Let's see. What do I do if you live around blue-haired girls? Well, that I can't answer that question. I don't have that problem. Okay, I got a wife. You know, as Eastern European, no, can't believe it. Is that an Eastern European requirement rule? I said it's a hot take. Hey, you don't want my hot take? Get the hell out of here. Okay? This is my hot take. You can have your own hot take. I know where you're coming from, but I know some people that should really never have kids. See, I don't think this exists when everybody has kids. Politics equals dick riding. Yeah, there you go. You want to clean your colon? Fine. Okay, thank you for that one. One more hot take? I don't got any more good hot takes. Hot take, blue hair is great. Now get to dying, boys. I honestly have no idea what this means, to tell you the truth. So I can't. I don't know what those are. There's a lot of words in there that I can't put together, and I don't quite understand. Orange hair for Ocamlers. Yeah. Normal hair color for Ocamlers. Me neither. I tried my best. I read it. Hot take. What about hot anime girls? Get back to coding, boy. All right, so this looks good. Delete. Deletes the target element regardless of the response. Oh, so this is what the person was saying. See, I'm not using this. Why would you use that? Agreed. Why? What is the purpose of this thing? What is the purpose of this thing? Why React tag? It's clickbait. What? I react all the time. Have you not? Most people are here because of me doing React content. Look at that. I crossed 130,000 subs today. Started at 5,000 in February. I am a React Andy. Look at this. Look at my React Andering. Personally, I don't wipe elements off my page if I can help it. I re-render them with strike-through to visually indicate they're gone. All right. Why does it always seem to relate to Rust devs? You know, I don't know, but it does. Delete this for optimistic UI. No, real talk, I don't understand. I honestly, fun person, I don't get it, fun person. Fun person, why does it happen? I don't get it, fun person, but it does happen. Somehow it does. You started February 23, didn't realize growth was that rapid. Congrats. Well, no, the thing is this is my second channel. You forget that I have multiple channels. See, this is the one which does just coding, and you can tell right away that people don't really care about coding. Like this whole video is going on. This whole ass video is going on here. No, ain't nobody caring about coding, okay? Ain't nobody caring about coding. I'll tell you that right now. This one is this one, right? My slightly more popular one, right? And so I have a really good idea. I'm very excited about it. Let me show you a scene that I'm just about to get going deep and hard, and I'm very excited about it. I haven't had this up in a long time, and I just started to get it all set up again. Very exciting. The whole thing. So hold on one second. Are you ready? You ready? Look at this. Damn it! Damn it! I forgot I turned it off. I turned off the camera. It's not actually working. Okay, but I have a whole standing scene now that's going to happen. Okay? I know Python or Go is insane. If you do Python or Go, you immediately get a huge number of people to watch you. It is crazy. It is crazy. If you do Python or Go, the videos do disproportionately better. It is nuts. I do not understand it. You go here, look at this. What is with it? Look at this. Look at this. Jonathan Blow, that one's doing pretty good. Probably the best video on my entire channel right here. This is my favorite video. So good. Intro was a little weak. I'll give it to you. Look at this. Python and this one, 88,000. Just blowing past the rest of the ones around it. Look at this. 38,000, 35,000, 50,000, 31, 34, 33, 36, 33, 66, 40, 62. Assword, my favorite, 50. Python, 65. Python, 88. What is this? You go through here. I'm sure I can find another Python one. Linus, 100,000, right? Like, you can just totally tell the ones that work and the ones that don't work. 6 days on one line of code. I already knew that one was going to be a banger. People were going to love that one, okay? People were going to love that one, okay? Go Python, Python, go Python. 1 million views. Yeah, Python devs catching dubs all around. Dude, it's crazy. Solid lowest common denominator numbers. I know. It's just wild. It's wild. I'm just shocked by it. It just works. The prime engine maybe. It's wild. Got a shield for Go now. I don't want to. I want to learn more Ocaml. I'm just starting to kind of get it, and there's some things that are really cool, right? Like the fact that I was able to do where was that little list function that I did that sweetness on? Well, now I can't find it. Oh, I can find it. It was in this one. Like, this is so cool, right? Like, first class currying is awesome, right? The fact that I called a function with one parameter, it used that as an argument to this, and it just works. Not like Ramda, okay? This ain't no Ramda, okay? This ain't no Ramda. Ramda sucks. I am literally a React Andy. I know. I have a whole channel devoted to it. It's half as popular as my main one, but it's catching up very fast. Wait till you get roped into learning Haskell. I'm not going to do that. Lambda for puss. I'm not sure what that means, to tell you the honest truth. What do you say about my boy Ramda? Ramda is just nothing but weak sauce, TypeScript, trash, dev. Okay. Okay? Jaboy Random. Your Jaboy Ramda needs to be in the trashta. Okay? Hey. Anyways. All right, let's keep on going. All right, so this all looks good. We wrote a lot of stuff. I got some deletes in. We got some things in. This feels good. Delete daddy, delete daddy, delete. This one will throw a bad request. Nice. You can't update this one. Also bad request. This one works out perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Okay, so this was actually pretty good, right? This is kind of what we wanted to see. It's like how you talk about TypeScript being shittier types. Ramda is just shittier currying. TypeScript. Okay, I don't want to talk about it. I'm not talking about it. I'm not talking about TypeScript. Stop trying to bait me into talking about TypeScript. We're not doing it. We're not doing it. I refuse. Ramda barely works at all with TS. Do it, you coward. I do it every single effing day. Okay, all right, so. How do page transition API works? Actually, you know what I want to learn about? Something I really want to understand. Okay, so I understand the basics of HTMX. Okay, now we've done the literal as tiny as it gets for understanding. There's also like these little swapping strategies, right? So if I wanted to add a new one, we could do it pretty easy. What's your opinion by Flow? I don't know. I don't think TypeScript is good. Okay, I do not think TypeScript is good. But you got to remember that JavaScript is really bad. Does that make sense? The camera's identical as it was earlier today. Okay? The camera's the same camera. Look at that. Look at that hair. Look at that beautiful hair right there. Okay? Look at all this hair. Look at all this hair. It's so good. You can even see some grays. Look at that. There's some grays going on right there. Okay? You can even see some of my grays. Apparently I have a Roman nose. I don't actually have a Roman nose. I just got punched in the face. That's all it is. Standard Ocaml hair color. I don't know. Is that true? I'm making something else small. Crap. I'm way too big now. I can't stop my big... Oh, gosh. I'm making other things. I'm changing other sides. Oh, no. Where am I? What eye color do I have? I don't know. Weird eye color. Late stage Roman nose. Yeah, late stage Roman nose. That's what he said. That's he did. Can you explain why JS is bad? I hear this all the time. It's an extremely inconsistent language. Error handling sucks. Memory allocation sucks. Types suck. There's a lot of hacking around very basic things. Oh, you want to know if this thing is an array? We'll provide you array.isArray. Oh, you want to know if this thing's a number? Well, sorry, kid, but No, we're not going to tell you how to do that. Okay, you're going to have to do this like whole thing that really sucks. A lot of the old edge cases are all gone.
Welcome to Costco.
Right? Math.
I love you.
Library isn't actually accurate. Thank you, Silent Clown. All right. Let the man cook. There's a lot of these little things that end up happening, right? A lot of little things that end up happening. This is funny. During the time I've been squirreling away, I've been doing all these things, and I've been talking with such a great accent. And sure, this accent isn't even close to what he was sounding like, but it sounds like the accent I heard in my head, and that's good enough.
Oh, that scared me.
Ah! Ah! Trench! Oh, I forgot the microphone goes right there. Look at that microphone. Look at that microphone. Ugh. Trench Toaster, thank you very much for that. I appreciate that. Let's go, 20 bomb. No, Lean Jellyfish, that's why I didn't answer your question the first time, dog. I can't give you advice on a PC, okay? What is a PC? What are you trying to say to me? Okay, get an AMD Threadripper, 64 core, coward. Okay? Go get it. Overreaction? That's how I felt. Also, you don't realize that I'm about 4 feet away from that wall. So when I fell backwards, it hits a little bit, okay? Because I'm like going back. See, I used to be right here. But then I go back. It used to be a little less distance. You know what I mean? It used to be different. PrimeGen after HTMX, yeah. Okay, it used to be different. But then I changed my whole room. That's a green wall, not a screen. It is a... This is green-ass paint, dog. This is paint. Ugh. Okay? Threadripper laptop sounds awesome. Horrible, but awesome. Yeah, it will literally melt. It'll melt right through your pants. It's Hulk green? Yeah, it's perfectly green. Yeah, we're upgrading. I'm in the middle of upgrading. I'm really doing it. Trust fall into chat. Come here, chat. All right, what do you guys think of Angular? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do here? It still works in Chrome, really? TCL, really? Thoughts on middle schools in Brazil adding JavaScript classes to the curriculum? What? There is like so many levels of specificity in that statement for me to even have an opinion about it. Hey, you have an opinion about Brazil just in general? Nah, man, I don't know. Every time I ask anyone about Brazil, it's one of two responses. It's like the world's most extreme response or the world's most extreme response. So I have no idea. All I know is the people in Brazil are awesome. Every time I talk to someone from Brazil, I seem to like them. So I don't know what that's all about. Second off, middle school. Middle schoolers are the worst people on earth, okay? 8th graders are literally considered the worst people on earth, okay? Because 8th graders achieve max status in a 2-year institution and think they're incredible. And then guess what happens? Then they get tossed into high school and realize that their life is just one 4-year institution after another, and they need to fix their attitude. But until then, 8th grade, they're the tippity top of the pack. It's the first time for them to ascend the ranks, okay? Nobody likes middle school. So not only is it Brazil, which I know nothing about, then it's 8th grade, which I don't want to know anything about, then it's JavaScript. At least they're programming. You know what I mean? That's how I feel. Okay? You know what? That question ruined the vibe, okay? The question ruined the vibe. I'm out. I'm out. I've done a lot of... Let's see. Oh, my goodness. What are we looking at this? Every single time I'm on Twitch, I have to do that. Look, and blue hair. Oh, Talian's back. Hey, Talian. ¿Qué es la porque Maria? Classic Twitch. Dude, why is it recommending it for me? I don't know. It does it every single time. Alex Jones, AI stream, drama controlled. What? Alex Jones, AI? All right, who we rating? Who we rating? TJ's on? All right, I'll do TJ again.
Order by again, don't care. Okay, so let me make sure I understand why this is the way that it is.
We'll do TJ. We're gonna rate
So,
TJ again.
The reason that it's fine for us to just use invalid arg for all these places, right, is because we are going to make sure